Assalamualaikum everyone, and welcome to today's OP video update for Monday 15th of August. And right now I'm looking at OP. Yeah, it's been a while I haven't released the update, so today here we go. And right now we're looking at OP coming down for that, big A, B, and then the C. Potentially this could be the end of the C right here. And this, in my opinion, might be the bottom of it. And the only reason that this could be the bottom right now for OP is because of a double bottom. You see, the last time that you went to this area, you really shoot to the upside and it can come down, and this is almost like a demand zone. So if you know about supply and demand, this can actually be qualified to say that it's a demand zone, even though the line comes down here. It makes more sense for OP to be at 1.320. Nonetheless, this is a big level right now. So if I do actually drop in some sort of a rectangle or something like that, so let's bring in a rectangle. Yeah, so here we go. Okay, this is an influential level just right there. Okay, you came down to that box, you move up, because there are multiple touches in this box. All right, so you had this interaction right there in that box. You end up. Notice how you came down to that very upper portion of that box, and then you bounced off that box, and then you went down. You came into that box again, and then you went up, and now you're coming into that box again. You could actually start to make a move once again, and that could potentially be the end of this correction down here, and this week we start to move even way more higher. Okay, now even if you ever come down to that line again, this yellow line right here, that in my opinion could be perfectly fine. It could be that it wicks down there, maybe just a wick down here, bounce off that wick and start to actually move higher, but you never know. I do see the patterns on Bitcoin right now, and if OP follows Bitcoin, of course, which it hasn't been doing that, because OP has been the opposite of Bitcoin, and but if now it does try to follow Bitcoin, then we might be looking at OP trying to move to the upside. One more thing before I close the video is I want to show you this candlestick on as bullish Harami candlestick here. So let's bring in that bullish, this one right here, and it's gonna look something like something like this one. Well, which one to show you? All right, this one right here. Okay, so you have that big red candle down, and next to it is a very small tiny green candle. I don't know if this is visible to you but it's gonna be something like this as well. Yep, something like that one. Red candle, next to it is a green candle as well. And the last time you actually printed out that type of candlestick, you actually went to the upside. So that red candle, and next to it this small green candle that you see, combining these two candlesticks makes it a bullish pattern to continue higher. And not only that, in here you have that three white soldiers as well, and then boom, you continued higher. Now if we do actually zoom to the current prices that we have, that's almost the same thing you're putting in again. Okay, so this could, that's why I do say that could be the end of it. Okay, that could be the end of the correction to the downside at the moment. And that's pretty much it for this update on OP. Hope you enjoyed this quick one. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.